The project in itself was a Greenfield project. From start to finish, we were involved together with the client in defining and designing an implementation approach up until development and implementation and then later testing. So from beginning to end, we supported the whole life cycle of the project and carried it to success. In this project, we employed special methodologies, especially the NNIT Accelerated MES Implementation Strategy, where we are using our life science expertise and experience from various other implementations of the past, funneling that all into this project and accelerating the actual implementation of it. The special expertise NNIT has brought to the project was in particular in the integration of interfaces. This facility was highly automated and had lots of interactions with many equipment, larger equipments using various types of interfaces, but also scales, where we acted as a system integrator and have worked with the vendors on the other side to define and scope interfaces that are actually future-proof. The biggest lesson learned from this project is the value of business processes and the attached data to it. You really have to make sure that you know the business process in detail, understand it, and make sure that the data is really fit to purpose to that process, so you have a solid foundation for setting up your project and the implementation of it. The major disruptor for the MES market, as I see it from today's perspective, is that we are moving away a bit from the traditional, let's say, monolithic approach to solving problems on the MES level into dividing it into smaller scale solutions that are more fit to purpose, that are lightweight and easier to deploy and also maintain into the future. And that is definitely shaking up the market and putting a challenge for, let's say, the traditional vendors that are out there currently. The key strength of NNIT is that we have experience in the field. We know the business processes. We have many colleagues that are coming from the business and the process, and we are vendor independent, so we really can give you an overall and honest opinion on all the solutions that are out there and make sure that whatever your use case, your problem is, that we can find the right solution to it and also make sure that it's implemented in industry standard.